Just waiting to go live on all platforms. There we go. How are we all? Monday morning, pretty nice weather. And the US 500 is down as predicted. So today we're going to be doing a bit more trading. We're going to be doing a lot more trading. As well as that, we're going to be using the US 500 to find the majority of our trades. And we'll be going from there. So as we can see in the last couple of minutes, US 500's dropped ever so significantly. So we will see, I reckon it will fall back down to this order block and then maybe bounce up or continue downwards, depending on a number of factors. First of all, however, we're going to ask for the US economic news. How are we all today? Let me bring this. Okay, upcoming tariffs and protectionism, economic growth and inflation, and fiscal policies and potential job losses. Fantastic. As we can see, US 500 just opened. There was a bounce upwards. Interesting. Okay. Investment shifts. Let's take a look. Give me a list of macroeconomic factors I should be aware. Okay, interesting. This is a terrible song. Let's find something else. I don't like this music. We should listen to this. Huh, joking. Let's find some music. Oh no, we're gonna get copyrighted. Hip Hop Mix Volume 2. Yeah, we might get copyrighted. Chill Lo-Fi Mix. Okay, dropping back down. We will see how market reacts. Instantly though, we can see quite a big difference in volatility. It's dropping. Price is dropping. Now, will we be able to enter in with a short. Okay, we'll see how it reacts, and I think it's breaking below.
Customer expectations
There
are
we go.
high. Marketing and service teams, not so much. How do you retain customers and boost sales with fewer hands? With Klaviyo, the only CRM.
Ugh, how many CRMs are there these days? Right, we want to be up here. Okay, sorry guys, we just had to turn the TV down a little bit. Okay. So we entered, what did we enter? 505.5. So we're going to put our stop loss. We can, for now, place it up here. $350.2. That's 31.8. So we'll break up into 1 hour. So how are we all doing today? Hopefully a nice day. Let's look at some undervalued trades, perhaps. Give me a list of undervalued trades for today. We'll see what kind of information we get here. So we have PayPal, United Health Group. That's a good one of the largest health insurance providers in the US. It's experienced a stock price decline of over 20% in the last 3 months. Analysts believe the stock could climb 30% from its current position. Let's see how we're doing. We'll go into the 4 hour. Okay, let's list some entry and exit points for gold. Potentially we can have a look at that. Okay, so we have a trade here for gold. It's recommended that we go for a sell, entry level 3,105. Let's take a look at gold. I think gold would be quite fun to trade today. Looks like it's falling down quite significantly. All in the last hour. Wow. Yeah, let's take a trade on gold. Gonna sell. Do about 300 Troy ounces. Fantastic. So stop loss, I think we can put above the recent high. Obviously, not going to be any order blocks above that. we can put our stop loss about the 78 mark. We'll have a closer look. I actually want to make sure that we get that stop loss correct. Let's place it at 79 upon closer inspection. That's not right. So our entry point was 104.84. Okay. Stop loss 130. Take profit 79. Okay. Let's move the stop loss down actually. Not really. Let's set it for 120, 125. Okay, let's check on US 500 to see how it's doing. Doing well. Fantastic. Going well. So, I think we'll go into, let's go into the 15. I like the 15. Let's take a look at some maybe some crypto. So crypto projects. I can look at today. Fantastic. We have Kubetics, Aptos, Solana, Chainlink, Cardano. Let's take a look at Chainlink. Don't think that's something we've seen before. Chainlink. The standard for on-chain finance. Okay. Promising. So around 20 trillion transaction value enabled. Okay, this is very interesting. Seem to be doing sort of tours. Thailand, Hong Kong, and then we have one in English online and Spanish online. They have an office by the looks of it in the West End. Oh wow, they're right in there. Fair enough. If anyone knows where we are, we are over in the East End. We're over here. Where are we? Nope. Am I in the right place? Yeah, here we are. That's where we're from, in London. Chain link's on the other side of central London, so interesting. So they've got one in Italy, by the looks of it, in Rome. They like these city squares, or like these monuments, don't they? They seem to put their positioning right. They've got one in Tel Aviv. One in South Africa, one in Rwanda. Oh, sorry, they've got two in Uganda, sorry. One in Nigeria, one in Saudi and the UAE. Quite a lot in India, wow. They must like Indians. Washington, Vancouver. They've got one in Florida.
I have to finish this paper. I'm swamped. No one told me college would be so...
Okay. So we're just going to analyze the market. Now, this is one of my favorite ways to actually find a sort of path that the market is taking. So we're just going to download this image. We will go to the 1 hour. Again to the 15. And one more time to the 5 minute. Attach all three. Open these. We're going to say this is the US 500. 4 different timelines. Analyze all of these and provide us with entry and exit points. Fantastic. So, majority bearish. 70, 75%, 65 and 60. So that's a very good sign that the market is going to continue to drop downwards. Okay. We can take a look at Kaito. So Kaito is not something I really know much about. Let's take a look at Ondo, which is another crypto coin. Ondo Finance. Welcome to the open economy. Okay. Solana back down to 125. Feels like yesterday it hit 300 or very close to 300.
It's time to let your ears down and escape the everyday. See Cambridge from a new perspective. Travel through time as you take in the history of Norwich. We will probably end the stream in 10 minutes time. Um, if there's any tickers you guys want to take a look at, definitely do comment them down below, guys. It'll definitely be something we can take a look at. Who's moved the most the last 7 days? Not a lot of movement, with Solana dropping 13% over the last 7 days. Perfect if you want to buy in. Hedera at 16 cents. How is everybody? Hopefully having a good day. Let's take a look at how gold is performing. It's a bit of a bounce upwards. We'll see how price reacts over the next couple of minutes here. I think it'd be quite interesting to see where the sort of movement goes after this sort of move has been completed, whether it will drop back down and we'll be back in profit, or whether it will continue on upwards. I definitely think, should it hit our stop loss, we could go in with a buy and capture quite a lot of upside potential if it was to, continue its rising upwards.
Let's take a look at some smaller projects. I think it'd be quite interesting. Number one is Bart's coin. Bart being Beeson. Fantastic, and it's crashing. Interesting project. I usually stick to Solana coins, so what do we have here? The way I usually look for new coins is I go to news socials. Speed coin. 10k market cap. Yeah. Tim Cheese, the John Pork Killer. Oh gosh. Get this out of the way. Wow. Titcoin. Let's go into a 4-hour. Wow. Released last month. Oh, sorry, the start of the month. Right, guys, I think we will probably end the stream here. Thank you, everybody, for joining, and hopefully we will see you soon.